Thomas Aquinas, Summa Theologica, Episode 24. Eandem enim conclusionem demonstrant, astrologus et naturalis, putaquod terra est rotunda, sed astrologus per medium mathematicum, id est a materia abstractum, naturalis autem per medium circa materiam consideratum. Now Aquinas is going to give us an example. For, he says, the same conclusion both the astrologer and the natural scientist demonstrate, demonstra. So the astrologer and the natural scientist, naturalis, they reach or they show the eandem conclusionem, namely puta, that the earth is round, terra est rotunda. But the astrologer does so per medium mathematicum, by a mathematical means, that is, through the means of mathematics, id est, that is, in a way that is abstractum, removed from matter, a materia, from material substance. The natural scientist, however, does so per medium consideratum, through a medium that has been considered or regarded, interpreted with respect to material substance, physicality, materiam. So once again, the grammar and syntax is very straightforward. The meaning is a little more difficult to grasp, but we have two subjects, astrologus, which we could translate as astronomer, and naturalis. These are both masculine singular and nominative. They are the compound subject of demonstrat, which is put in the singular, because Latin can do that. This is a first conjugation verb, demonstro, demonstrare, to point out, and its object is conclusionem, which is feminine singular and accusative. You can easily tell that it's third declension by the em. If you did not know that it was feminine, you could deduce that from the gender of its modifying adjective, eandem. That's the first part. Then we have puta. Now puta means, namely, nempe is a Latin synonym. It could be taken as viz or to wit, something like that. I believe its origin is from the verb puto, putare, which means to reckon or to consider. So puta began as an imperative. Understand, realize that, namely that the earth is round, terra est rotunda. That's the conclusio that both of them reach. But the astronomer reaches his conclusion per medium mathematicum. So per plus the accusative through a mathematical means, namely through a means that has been abstractum, has been withdrawn from matter. The naturalis, here we just have a restatement in the nominative, just like we had a restatement of astrologus in the nominative, and we have to understand demonstrat throughout. He demonstrates his conclusion per medium consideratum, through a middle term that is considered with respect to matter. And we could take this circa materiam, as some translations do, we could take it adverbially and translate it like this, materially.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.